crazy ass lightning and thunder in Kuta, Bali. That's it. Thunder.
5, 1.
Come on. Where's the thunder? Alright, I'll do a video diary anyway. We just met a fucking wanker of an Irish guy. Who's an absolute prick. Just watching the Irish game, and he called all English people dishonest.
What's the language? Patricia won't be happy.
So yeah, that was that. But otherwise, Bali rocks, and surfing's ace. Get rid of some thunder.
Nah.
Time it, and you can tell how far away it is. Fucking hell. Eh? Well, I hope so. Slow light. Oh shit, I hope I haven't had my hand over the speaker the whole time.
Did you say it was right over them?
Anyway, bye bye.